Buying an older Harley Davidson can be a rewarding experience, offering classic style, affordability, and a strong community. But it also requires a willingness to do some maintenance and repairs yourself. Here's a breakdown of the pros and cons. Pros: affordability. Older Harleys are generally more affordable than newer models, making them accessible to a wider range of riders. Classic style. Older Harleys often have timeless, iconic designs. Strong community. Owning an older Harley connects you to a passionate community of riders, clubs, and online forums. Simpler technology. Simpler technology means easier DIY maintenance and repairs. Customization. Older Harleys offer a fantastic canvas for customization, with a robust aftermarket for parts. Reliability. Harley Davidson motorcycles, especially those with the Evolution engine, 1984-1999, are known for their reliability and ease of maintenance. Cons. Maintenance. Older bikes require more maintenance and repairs than newer models. Finding parts. While parts are generally available, finding specific parts for older models can sometimes be challenging. Modern features. Older bikes lack some of the modern features and technology of newer models, such as fuel injection, ABS, and advanced electronics. Potential for rust and corrosion. Older bikes are more susceptible to rust and corrosion, especially if they've been stored improperly or ridden in harsh conditions. Cost of ownership. While the initial purchase price may be lower, the cost of ownership can be higher due to the need for more frequent maintenance and repairs. Before buying, research. Research the specific model and year you're interested in. To understand its strengths and weaknesses, inspect the bike. Thoroughly inspect the bike for any signs of damage, rust, or excessive wear. Test ride. Take the bike for a test ride to assess its performance and handling. Get a pre-purchase inspection. Consider getting a pre-purchase inspection from a qualified mechanic. Be prepared to do some work. Be prepared to do some maintenance and repairs yourself, or be prepared to pay for them.
The highway with the wind in my hair, got my shades on tight and I don't have a care. The sun is shining bright, the radio's on fire.